Hey guys, it's FREEE, and I want to make this quick video to tell you how you can you can get free sound effects for the videos. It's called soundbible.com. It will be in the description below. Yeah, it has any sound effects for basically anything. If any other website sucks for me, because you have to pay to get sound effects, or we just don't know where to click to download it. So, which is why I use Soundbible, and it's totally free. It's called soundbible.com, and it has great net. Okay, so I have my net. Yeah, in fact, I'm gonna use it too. Okay, so since you just saw that, to get the sound effects to sound real, what you have to do is you either have to make the sound higher or lower. And if you're making a video where you have to talk to do it, you're gonna either want to have to mute it, you mute half of it, or just make it sound like this, like that. So yeah. Now the Maverick. If you had like a Nerf battle, you can pretty much do this. Whoa. There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.